Hi, it's Olivia here from Consortium Private Wealth. Today's video is just giving you a quick overview on the different types of personal insurances that are available on the market today. So in a nutshell, your personal insurance provides you a lump sum on death, diagnosis of a serious illness or accident, or it can provide a regular income if you should be unable to work anymore. So wealth protection is the best measure that can be taken to protect your most valued assets, which are your learning ability and also your lifestyle, your home and your health. Lots of people out there will always make sure they find time to insure like their cars or their content insurance, but just remember, you yourself are the most valued asset out there. So there's actually 4 different types of wealth protection available. Just give you a quick overview on each one. So life insurance, lump sum payment upon death. That one is the most popular type of insurance on the market. This one can be held inside or outside of super. So that means that your premiums can come out of your superannuation or it can come out of your cash flow. Total and permanent disablement, you generally see that one written down as TPD. So that also gives you a lump sum payment if you become totally incapacitated due to injury or illness. Same as life, that one can be held inside or outside super, depending on how you want your premiums paid, and it's often a rider with life insurance, so they generally link together. The other one that probably isn't so popular and a lot of people don't know about is your trauma insurance. So this one's held outside of super, it can't be in the super environment, so the premiums must come from your cash flow. This one is designed to provide a cash lump sum payment if you suffer specified medical conditions. So most popular being your heart attacks, strokes, cancers. It's usually a smaller amount insured, so because the aim is that you will recover from your illness and then you will go back to work. So it might allow you to cover off a year's worth of income, help with medical costs, allow your spouse to take time off, partner to care for yourself and any dependents that you might have home, that type of thing. The last one is income protection. So this one is one type of insurance that is recommended that you have right up until retirement because it provides replacement of your income up to about 75% if you can't work due to illness or injury. The thing with income protection is the same as life and TPD. You can hold it within your super environment for your premiums to come out of there. If you do hold it in your own name, the premiums are tax deductible through your accountant at tax time. If you have never applied for insurance before, just give you a bit of an idea of what to expect. We make an appointment for you to go through underwriting, so whoever your product provider is on that one, and you will be asked quite a lot of questions, basic information as well as quite personal health related questions, and on the odd occasion you may require an in-person medical exam from your doctor that will then pass on to the product provider. Claims, this is one thing that I can't stipulate enough, is that if you need to make a claim, contact your financial advisor to help you through the process. That's what we're here for. So, and don't ever think that your condition is too minor for a claim. Look, I'd love to give you an example of a client that we've had. He came in just for his annual review and just happened to mention to one of the advisors that he'd had a mild heart attack, and we're like, oh well, you've got trauma insurance, and he goes, oh, just because it was mild, I didn't think I would be able to do a claim. So we went through the claim process with him and he got a lump sum payout. So if you're unsure, call and ask the question to your financial advisor. More than happy to help, and we'll help you with the whole process all the way through as well. Another thing is, as we get older and we're nearing retirement, we're thinking, gosh, do we actually need our insurance policies anymore? Can I save a few dollars on these premiums and direct that money somewhere else? One thing I just want you to keep in mind, obviously firstly go talk to your advisor to see if that's a good option. I've got some stats up here for you to see that the average age people cancel their income protection policy is 45, and that national average people make a claim on their income protection is 46. For your total and permanent disablement, average cancellation is 49, average claim is 48, and your trauma, the average age people will cancel that is 44, and the average claim is 49. So there's a lot of things to factor in if you're wanting to reduce premiums. We can reduce your overall levels of cover if you want to be saving some money or your financial assets have built up. But just remember, it's a lot easier to reduce amounts of cover. If you then decide to increase it, you will need to go through the underwriting process again. That's all for today. Just a little bit of a quick overview on wealth protection. Thanks for listening.